This is an unboxing video, but not for the latest iPad or Pixel phone. It's for illegal drugs. The recipient opens the envelope and shows pills that almost certainly contain fentanyl hidden inside a deck of cards. They uploaded it to the Facebook page of the drug dealer as an endorsement of their business. Trafficking pharmaceuticals or illicit drugs violates Facebook's community guidelines. So of course, PSM staff reported it. But after an automated review, Facebook decided not to take the content down. We reported it again and escalated it, but it was still live as we filmed this. This drug dealer is so brazen that after you order from them, they post the UPS priority mail receipt to their Facebook page to prove they've sent it to you. And to prove they've got inventory, they post photos of their illegal products with a phone showing a current date. And the best thing is that this isn't the only Facebook page they're running. This is a problem on every social media platform and on private messaging services too. Snapchat in particular has stated 6 times that they're working hard on this problem, and yet another teen died in October 2021 after buying from a Snapchat drug dealer. And a minor in Minnesota almost died after taking a pill he got from someone on Snapchat just last month. Every one of these platforms forbids drug trafficking, but the dealers are still operating there, even though they're being reported. Promises from social media platforms are no longer believable. Social media companies must do better at enforcing their own standards. Share this video to let platforms know that this is a priority for you. If you share it from the URL on the screen, you can tag parent advocate groups to let them know you stand with them. Most importantly, make sure your family knows the risks right now of fentanyl and everything from fake pills to heroin, cocaine, and ecstasy. You'll find resources to help you have that conversation at the URL on the screen. If you want to stay updated about new episodes, click the subscribe button. We do a new episode every week about counterfeit medicines. There's often 20 or more counterfeit medicine stories that happen every week in the US that we don't have a chance to do a video about. To read about them, just go to our website and check out the story that has this week's date on it. Thanks, and see you at www.safemedicines.org.